Hello once again, my dear most subscribers and new viewers to my YouTube channel 27U. A very good afternoon to you all. Yesterday I was driving back home after shooting part 3 of my YouTube series Rural Life of Meghalaya. I met my dear friend Miss Ritu of Upper Shillong. She is like my very own sister. She laughed at the fact that she sees me as a hardcore YouTuber lately. I laughed along with her too. Then she expressed her desire to follow my footsteps as a YouTuber. I encouraged her and promised to assist and help her. So Ritu, as promised, this one is for you. And hi viewers, here comes chapter 7 on my video series YouTube lessons. Here we go. So this is the home screen of my mobile. Let's tap on YouTube, the app. Next thing we have to do is, as you can see, I'm already logged in my channel's name. Let's click on the channel logo. And then let's click on that black triangle lying near my channel name. Here you can see the plus sign near the heading accounts. Let's tap on it. Checking info. You can see the tab create account on the lower part of your screen. Let's click on it. Let's click on for myself, that is for yourself. The first name, since this is just an illustration, I'll give the first name as Dummy, D-U-M-M-Y, Dummy, and then the last name will be Channel, C-H-A-N-N-E-L, Channel, and click on Next. Day will be suppose 7, month will be again June, July 7, and year will be 1977. Gender will be male. Next. The full name seems to have been booked already. Let's try C-H-N D-U-M-M-Y, Dummy, C-H-A-N-N EL, Channel. Let's cut the space. Dummy Channel, suppose 27. Okay. Next. Yeah, this is accepted. Dummy Channel 27 has been accepted. And let's create a password. I'll use password as suppose SHILLONG @123. Let's confirm. SHILLONG @123. Next. Privacy and terms. I agree. So ladies and gentlemen, the channel has been created. So ladies and gentlemen, now that we are done with the creation of a Google account as well as your YouTube channel, so let's get on with the next step. Let's click on the Chrome browser once again. Click on the 3 dots to enable desktop mode, which is already done, and on the search bar type youtube.com. Let's zoom it out a bit, and on the logo, let's go to your channel. And zoom in again. You can see the bar customize channel. Let's hit on it. You get to see this page. Here you can insert a logo of your choice if you have saved it. For the moment, I'll simply cancel it. And you can also hit on add channel art to select a beautiful cover pic and also add description to your channel. So that's it, folks. You can go to the other chapters of my video uploads where you get to see many topics on YouTube. Now, before this video gets any longer, I would like to sign off and say bye-bye. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.